Good afternoon, this is Dennis.Girod with Guarantee RV on this beautiful sunny day here in Oregon. So I'd love to show you this brand new 2019 Newmar Bay Star 3408. Great product from a great company. Let's take a look around the outside. So this is a triple slide coach, living room front, bedroom rear. As we look around, side swing doors because it's a Bay Star. Nice storage. Plenty of room to take along everything you want, or everything you need maybe. Some of our awning controllers. As we move around towards the back, 5.5 Onan gas generator. That's holding tanks with their senders. Water heater. Good pass-through storage here on this last bay. As you look across the top. I think these silvers really show well. Of course, not too hot on a sunny day, and kind of keep you a little warmer in the winter. So again, our pass-through. Look at the size of that slide-out motor. If you get a chance, compare that to the competitors. Much smaller. Here's one of my favorite little simple engineering tricks. Just a little notch where you can put this power cord down in there and shut the door. You don't have to fish it through the small hole. A little plastic bay right here. Great place to store your sewer hose separate from everything else. Gas tank fill. Super clean looking service bay. Black tank flush, water tank fill, whole house filter. Coming down the side. That hose, what that's for is for winterization. You can use it to pick antifreeze out of a bottle. So what would really be fun to do is come see us. Let's take a drive. As we're walking past the front, one of the things I'd like to show you, one of my favorites that they do so well now, are these side cameras. Basically, they're triggered by turning on your turn signal when you're running down the road. So if you lose somebody down here on the side, bump your turn signal, you'll see right down the side and be able to see them. Electric awnings. Good little storage here. One thing I always tell customers that in my life of RVs, the one thing I never heard, that we gave them too much storage. So here we have our European style dinettes. When you see that wrap and you test them, you'll find that always makes them super comfortable. TV is on a lift behind the dinettes. Good storage here. Adjustable shelves. Fantastic fans. You know, one thing to watch is when you see the big blade fan, they're always quieter and will also move a lot more air. Pivot style door. Nice room in the shower. Coming back to the back on the 3408, we have a queen bed. Little things that Newmar does so well, this little latch to hold the doors, sliding doors, from moving. Excellent wardrobe across the back. Of course, this is pre-plumbed and wired if you'd like to add washer dryer. That's something we can easily do for you if you'd like. Double wardrobe here. 6 drawers. Pantry. And all these shelves are adjustable. These holes, what they're for is you can pull these out, move them up and down, adjust to whatever height you'd like in there. Residential style refrigerator, 3-burner cooktop, convection microwave. Again, you know, they just continue to give us great storage. I really like the use of their maple inside the cabinets. Obviously it makes it easier for us to see. The other thing you want to compare against competitors is they also do a great job of giving us the maximum depth of drawers they can. So if I'm pull out bed, as we come to the front, you know, second TV, dual monitors, passenger table. So this 34.8 is a great floor plan and kind of a mid-length, gives you a lot of possibilities. So love to have you come see us here in Junction City, Oregon. Dennis.Girod, Guarantee RV.